That's what I wanted to happen right there. I jacked the nose up enough, all that water's gonna come out. I'm glad it is. Hey y'all, here's another video. Hey, I have two batteries here. I've been dying to hook them up, see if any lights will come on or see what will come on. I really don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I unhooked two batteries, I marked them, so I'm going to hook up two good batteries and see if anything comes on. So, let's see. Okay, I hooked both batteries up. I have no power anywhere. So I'm going to have to do a complete wire overhaul on everything, which is the way I like it. Hey guys, we hooked up the batteries and motor wouldn't turn over, but after I turned the battery selector switch to all, we had cabin lights, there was a blower that came on. The tilt worked in it, which is pretty awesome. So that kind of gives me some hope. So we're just going to keep working at it and see what we can do. Stay with me. Hey guys, it is 9:30 at night up here in North Missouri, and I got some batteries put in the boat, and I wanted to show you the lights and show you that it is slowly coming together, coming to life. So let's go take a look at it. As you can see, it's dark. Let's climb up and see what we can see for lights. Hey guys, as you can see, it's dark in this boat. I have a flashlight in my hand. Let's turn on some lights here and see what we can see. They're kind of dim, but I'm going to put all LED lights in here. Let's see if this one works. It doesn't. That one does. That one does. I don't know if there's a light in the bathroom or not. Yeah. Let's see if it works. Oh, it does work. And then there's a couple lights back here in the back aft cabin. Let's take a look at it. There's the bathroom. The head. That's a light for it. We got to get brighter lights in here, and we have got to get some air conditioning because it is dark. That's one of them up there. Kind of lights it up a little bit. I'm going to show you in the next video what is back there in that hole right there. Pretty cool. I just found it. Let's go up on top, see the companionway lights. slowly coming together. I could see this out on the lake, us staying in it. I mean, pretty peaceful. Let's go up on deck. It says lights. Oh wow, look at that. Got lights in the arch. That is awesome. That's awesome. That's looking downstairs. Let's see what else we got here. Courtesy lights. I think the courtesy lights are these right here on the deck, which I'm going to switch out to LEDs, make it a little bit brighter, and I might make it like I don't know, blue or green or something. Let's see what else we got here. Wiper and panel lights. Let's see if panel lights work. Well, the RPMs does, and the temperature and the voltmeter does. Nothing else works. But I will get it working. You watch. And then let's see what else. Should be some navigational lights there somewhere. Yeah, there they are. That's the navigational lights. Can't really see them, but that's a green one. And that's a red one. This is awesome. Those lights up in there. That is so cool. Alright, well, we got to see. Not as bright as I would like. It's not as bright as I would like, but we're going to make it brighter. Maybe if I had that light working over there and that light working there. I thought it did work, but must be out right now. And then I don't think there's a bulb in this one. Nope. This is awesome though. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, we'll catch you later. Hey guys, we're going to call this one done. Go ahead and, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to it. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, leave me a message, share the video, and hit that little bell. That's where I get credit from YouTube, if you hit that little bell. And stay with me.